monkey pet. We bought him for $5,000 on our neat leash. Let's go, Brandon. See, he goes anywhere.
Let's go. Let's go back.
So watch. Turn the camera around. I'm going this way.
Oh, what happened here?
Brandon dropped some propel.
Dang, I need to get the shirt.
You can hold the camera then. Let me hold the camera. Let me hold the camera then. Our neat leash we made. I don't know, it's tied to his monkey leash. We put a rope so he can get longer.
Turn the camera.
No, monkey boy, come back here.
Come on. What the frick? Monkey boy.
Monkey, get the ball. Get the ball, monkey. Get the ball. Well, I guess monkey can't. Get the ball. Get the ball.
That's the wrong ball.
Okay, now over here. Oh, he got the ball. Get the ball, Brandon. Go get it. Oh, Brandon, go get it. Good monkey. Throw. See, monkeys. What the heck are you doing?
Sorry. It's so shiny. See that ding?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, go get the ball, Brandon. Wrong ding. That ball. No, not that ball.
See, you know how you throw a ball and Doc get it? Well, he throws the ball and he gets it.
Okay, Brandon, throw the ball. Go get it.
Go get it. Oh. He did not get that one. Hey, how many minutes has this been?
3.
Okay, come back for some more cool episodes of The Leash Monkey.